Yep. The Trigon is doing work. That's why this card is good. I'll continue just to take 3. I don't even care at this point. I lose. Only thing that can help me now is Contagion Engine. Contagion Engine. That's funny. And now I really wish I didn't, you know, block because I'm an idiot, but I could proliferate myself. I shouldn't have blocked. I mean, I would have been at 5. I would have been at 3. I would have still been in danger of getting killed by actual creatures eventually, but I'd be in a much better position. Yeah, it deals 2 damage to me. Now I'll have Metalcraft, Putrefax. Can't target his stuff. That's cool. I wonder if he knows that this doesn't target. I can kill myself. Draw me some cards, maybe, eventually. This game is very boring. I am sorry. I'm not probably making it very interesting for you guys. I'm just very jaded at this point with this game. It's kind of like he keeps on drawing lands, and a card that's going like 12 for 1. And I can't draw creatures that have more than like 1 power, or 1 toughness. Oh, there's one. I'm actually in fine position now to win this game, because I can sacrifice a creature that he tries to kill, and then I can just proliferate it over and over and over again. Draw like 6 cards in a couple turns. Yep, he's gonna draw a card. Yes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. because that's a card that does so much for me. I'm just gonna get a land out of my deck. I basically have sweet spells, and that's it. To swing or not to swing, that is the question, but then again, if he has a haster guy, I lose anyways. So, I also have the possibility of swinging, sacrificing the Chrome Speed to the Culling Dice, put 1 counter on it, proliferate, put 3 counters on it, next turn proliferate, put 2 more, so that's 5 counters, then draw 5 cards. Which, I mean, I might just do, I mean, that's a lot of cards for a Chrome Steed, and I'm running out of time. Like, if he plays a creature here, I have to sacrifice my Chrome Steed, and then proliferate. Yeah. Especially now. Giving us just spare back. Ooh, have I put my Glint Hawk yet? I have a Glint Hawk still in my deck. Contagion Engine. Should pay 1. Proliferate. Okay. Proliferate. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Proliferate. And I lose. Yeah. Really sucks. Drew a whole bunch of land at the end. I mean, I could take his creature, and then he just equips, and then swings. I can't even take his creature. Oh, that's game. Game 2! Turn 20. Jesus. You're probably gonna come in. Disperse might. This might. Really good with his Corpse Curve, but I can just block it Corpse Curve. I think I kind of want to play it against him. Like, he didn't really have anything that like comes into play. I mean, this card's just good against him. Bad cards against him. Full shock. It kills his guy. Okay, first off, taking you out. Might take you out. Liquid metal coating. Okay, so I need to cut 1 card. Don't really want to cut a creature. You got Horizon Spell Bomb. Mana fixing, but yet rather just have good cards.